Blender timeline. A keyframe is where a major change happens, and the frames between keyframes are called tweens. And to insert a keyframe for a specific property like location, rotation, and scale, select the desired frame in the timeline and select the object. Then hit K to show insert keyframe menu. Then select the property, and you can manually insert a keyframe for a specific property in the properties panel by just hovering over it and hit I. You will notice a yellow color, that means that's a keyframe. Now change the frame in the timeline. You will notice a green color, that means that's a tween. Now change the property. You will notice an orange color, that means that's a change. Hover over it and hit I again to create another keyframe. Go to the first keyframe and hit the space bar. As you can see, the animation is created. That's it.